guys, welcome back to Empower In. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Carolyn Porter Thomas. It's been a lot of fun these last few weeks. I've been getting a lot of emails from you guys and a lot of updates, which is so much fun, and most of you guys have really good things to share with me, lots of really good updates. So today I'm going to do a video request for my male nurses. I had a few males that asked what it was like to be a male in a female-dominated profession. So, what I do before I make any video is I try to give you not just my opinion, but I try to do a little bit of research so that I have a more, holistic approach to giving you the information. So, one of the first questions was, are there any advantages to being a male nurse? So, what I have observed and what I've seen is that men are less empathetic naturally than women, which can be a great skill for leadership roles, like as charge nurse. So, for example, I was trained to be charge nurse, and I found it very difficult when I had to give a very busy nurse another patient. Whereas a male could actually do that and just kind of switch off that empathetic part of him and just say, that nurse will be fine, it'll all work out, and just move on and be able to focus on the next task. So being less empathetic is kind of a skill. It sometimes does help. The other thing is, one of the guys that I talked to, because I did speak to a lot of guys and asked them these questions, he said that because he was physically bigger, it helped him prevent patients from falling or helping them transfer, or if he needed to change somebody by himself, it was a lot easier for him because he was a big guy. And when it comes to us, a lot of us women are, a lot of women are really small. So when it comes to transferring a patient from the bed to a chair, we have to find help, which can be a lot more time consuming. So the other thing is, I did a little bit of research, and I found this great article that literally was just published. It was published on February 25th, 2013. So this is like super recent. I can't believe I found it. And I'm going to put the link below. It's from it got cut off. The Census Bureau reports. Okay, but I'll put the link below. Don't worry. It's a really great article. But it says in this article that men typically do out-earn women, and an average of 9% more. So you guys do earn a little bit more money. The other question was, is it hard to break into the girl clique? And I was really surprised when I saw this, because my first response was, what girl clique? Like, there is no girl clique. And so, again, I don't want to just give you my opinion, so I asked a bunch of guys. I was like, is there a girl clique? And they were really quick to tell me, yes, there is. It's everywhere. But one male did say that he does see it a lot more on night shift and a lot more in units where they do have a little bit more time to socialize, such as intensive care units. Not that intensive care units can't be super busy, but on average, like, I usually work step down, and I find that I'm physically just going, and a lot of times I don't have time to talk. So I have less time to develop friends and form cliques. So he said that. But every guy that I talked to said that it doesn't bother them. They're just there to do their job and then go home. So ultimately, it's not that and one guy actually said, he's like, I'm not there to join the girl clique, so I don't care. I'm just there to do my job, and then go home and get my money. So that's it. So I wouldn't be too scared of that. It's not something that you really have to think about. The other thing that I want to do is I really want you guys to read this article. Again, link's going to be below, because it had some really great statistics that are very recent. It says that the nursing profession remains overwhelmingly female, but the representation of men has increased the demand for nurses, as the increased demand for nurses has grown over the last several decades. The new study shows the proportion of male nurses has more than tripled since 1970, from 2.7% to 9.6%. So guys, there's going to be more of you guys, as the years go by, and it's a great profession for you guys. So I hope that this helps, and I hope you read the article because it's really good. And, you know, honestly, we need you. We need more males in the field. It's refreshing to work with males. I do notice one thing, that males do kind of go to like the emergency departments or ICUs because it's more like, you know, challenging and there's more adrenaline and stuff like that. So, you know, there's all kinds of things for everybody in nursing. So anyways, if you guys have any more video requests or any more comments or, you know, anything, you can always leave a comment below or email me at empower.rn@gmail.com. So this is a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to next week with the next video. Love you guys. Bye.